We're in New York City.
Where are you?
72 degrees, loving it.
We're a true flavor Caribbean cuisine and roti shop out here in Queens.
Let me go inside and check them out and see what they're hitting on.
Listen, if you're looking for a Caribbean cuisine that delivers bold flavors, generous portions, and genuine island hospitality, then you need to visit True Flavor. From the moment you walk through the door, you are greeted with a warm, welcoming atmosphere that makes you feel like you stop into the Caribbean. The restaurant is known for its clean, comfortable settings and friendly staff who are always ready to make sure your dining experience is enjoyable. What really sets True Flavors apart is their commitment to authentic West Indian cooking. Every dish is prepared with traditional herbs, spices, and seasoning that brings out the rich, vibrant flavor of the Caribbean, and that's what it's famous for. They also have a whole selection of island-inspired flavored drinks, ginger like beer, fruit punch, peanut punch. Yeah, man.
Pretty good, pretty good.
It's very refreshing.
Let's see what this ginger beer is hitting on. This is a perfect drink to wake you up in the morning. Not too sweet, not too overpowering. Ginger, just a small hint, but at the same time it can still taste the dominance of it. This is my first time having this drink. Never had this before, but I'm expecting great things from this drink. This is it. Angostura chill, blood orange and bitters. Tangy blood orange with a dash of Angostura aromatic bitters. Good drink.
Whether you're craving curry goat, tender roti, doubles, pilau, flavorful seafood, or classic Jamaican and Trinidadian favorites, every bite is packed with the taste of home. Their freshly prepared meal.
Curry goat with what?
Some people have it with roti, some people have it with rice. You want it wrapped or you want it separate?
I want it wrapped, cut in half, take your time.
Hearty portions and attention to details keep customer coming back time and time again. The service deserves special recognition as well. The staff is courteous, attentive, and always willing to answer questions or recommend their most popular dishes. It's a kind of place where you're treated like family rather than just another customer, and that welcoming spirit makes every visit even more memorable.
Alright, so we're here at True Flavors. Just got a freshly made roti with some curry goat. Let's see what it's hitting on. Oh man. Look at this goodness right here. Curry goat gravy just seeping through the sides, the steam. Alright, take half of this and leave. I'm gonna peel back the layers. As I peel back the layers, you see this beautiful, nice little burnt area right here. Peel this back. Look at this. Pure goodness. It's right here. True Caribbean essence and flavor. Now let's take our first bite. It's very hot, so I have to be very careful. This right here, true representation of Trinidad and Tobago, boy. Come over here and get some of this food right now. Look at them juice. Look at the meat. I don't know where to bite. Good boy. Piece of bone here. See now? Where's the meat? Let me just peel back them layers here real quick now. Gosh. I don't need dentures, boy. No dentures needed over here. Come if you don't have any dentures now. I'll let you know how it goes later.
Wow. That's really good. Wow.
So we call it mango chow and pineapple chow.
What you call it?
Mango chow and pineapple chow.
This is good.
Some chow. First time having chow. It's a Trinidadian cuisine. Of course, Trini is representing the highest level right now, so cheers. My goodness. I can't believe I've been around for so long and I never had this.
This mango pineapple chow was an absolute hit, loaded with scotch bonnet, pepper, herbs and spices, a perfect balance.
Wow. Man, I'm tasting flavors that my taste bud never tasted before. I can't tell what's in here. You can see the scotch bonnet pepper.
What's this again?
And I can see
What is
some herbs, some peppers, pineapples. Wow. Let's get some of the habanero on here. I'm gonna put some of the chow with piece of goat meat on the roti. Let's do that. Let's create the ultimate island explosion.
If you're in the New York area, you can find True Flavors at 140 Rockaway Blvd, South Ozone Park in Queens. It is an excellent destination for anyone craving Caribbean cuisine, whether you're stopping for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner with your family and friends. To make it even easier for you, I will leave a Google Map link in the description below so you can quickly find the restaurant and plan your visit. I highly recommend stopping by and experience the incredible flavor for yourself. If you've already visited True Flavor, then let me know what your favorite dish is in the comment section below. If you're planning to visit after watching this video, tell me which meal you're most likely to try. If you enjoyed this review and would like to see more restaurant reviews, delicious recipe and amazing food content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your families and friends. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.
I'm gonna check out Jamaican Cooking Corner.
All right.